Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video, we are going to see how to reset HP Thunderbolt Docking Station, easy reset and troubleshooting guide. Step 1. Disconnect the laptop. First, you have to unplug the Thunderbolt or USB-C cable connecting the dock to your computer. Step 2. Unplug the power. Disconnect the dock's power cable AC adapter from the wall outlet or the back of the dock. Step 3. Drain residual power. Then press and hold the power button on the top or front of the docking station for about 15 to 30 seconds. Step 4. Reconnect power. Then plug the power cable back into the dock and ensure the laptop is still unplugged at this stage. Step 5. Wait for boot. Then allow the dock to sit idle for at least 15 to 30 seconds so that it can fully initialize. Step 6. Connect your computer. Then plug the dock's host cable back into your laptop. Here are some advanced troubleshooting and tips. If a simple power cycle doesn't resolve your connectivity, display, or charging issues, try these following steps. First, update drivers and firmware, as outdated firmware is a common cause of Thunderbolt connectivity issues. So use the HP software and drivers download portal to locate the latest updates for your specific dock model. Next, check the host cable. Ensure you are using the original HP provided Thunderbolt or USB-C cable, as standard aftermarket cables often lack the bandwidth to support 40 Gbps data transfer and video output. Next, reinstall Thunderbolt drivers. If the laptop stops recognizing the dock, open Device Manager on your computer, then expand the System Devices or Universal Serial Bus Controller section. Then right-click on Thunderbolt and USB-C drivers. From the drop-down menu, select Uninstall Device and then restart your laptop to automatically reinstall them. Next, check BIOS settings. If your external monitors are not displaying correctly, reboot your laptop and enter the BIOS, usually by pressing F10. In the BIOS, navigate to Advanced option and ensure that alternate mode is enabled and your boot mode is set to UEFI. Thank you for watching, and for more such informative videos, do like, share and subscribe to our channel.